has a different pack of wolves. Only two kinds of a wolf, the red wolf and the gray wolf. But in the gray wolf family, there are 24 different subspecies. What we have here are 3 different kinds of gray wolf. Our first pack is over in this. Oh, that one's yours. Puppy into their pack. It's being the kind of dog we have at home. Because they feel no threat from a little puppy, but they do feel threatened by a full-grown adult. You guys waiting for your snacks? Yes? All right, we've got more to see. We have at the top, we have some benches to sit down. I'll continue up there.
Go. Look at me. No.
Between those 2 layers of fur, they say about 100 below zero. A lot of people say that how do they survive in the hot summers? They do really well. Wolves can adapt to any climate. They'll shed all that undercoat out. They keep the guard hair, which again insulates them to keep them cool or warm. We have so many leaves on the trees, not much sunlight gets in, so it stays very cool for them. We built a pond in every pen. They spend a lot of time swimming and playing in the water. Pack as a lower ranking member. Everybody in that wolf pack has their own place. There's an order in that pack, and everybody has to follow it. On the top of the order are the alphas. They're in charge. Everybody has to listen to them. They eat first whenever there's food around. We're also the only ones that have puppies in the pack. The big guy there, that's Takani. He's the alpha in the pen, leader in the pack. There's usually one wolf who's second in command, next in line. They're in charge of the pack. When the alphas are away, they're called a beta wolf. Everybody has their spot throughout that ranking. There's always going to be one wolf who's very shyest in the pack. Be the lowest ranking member. The lowest member is called the omega. Now the way they figure out where they sit in that order is every day they growl and snarl and bite each other's faces. They'll jump on each other's back.
There they go.
Wake up.
Mommy's calling.
Elise, Cyrus, come on, let's go. You can do it, Cyrus. Come on. Good boy.
They're saying,
That's it,
I want to stay in the shade. Shut up. Or next to the water bottle.
I know, me too. I don't mind.
Yeah, I get her next time.
This one's paddable, she was saying.
Yep. I can get her 330, 332.
Why the difference? Why do they like her so much more, and they'll respond more to her than you? Is there any idea?
She gets to spoil them. I get to shoot them with a tranquilizer dart.
That would explain it.
Remember.
Sas, you gonna help? No?
It's like,
All right, everybody's sleeping.
there's a 332.
Can kind of predict what they're thinking by their body language, and if you're thinking they're thinking that, you don't put yourself in that position. Well, 21 years. I built it myself. Not too often. I mean, what equity I have in my house I bought fencing with. I spent 3 months putting all this fencing in myself. Jumped in and been doing it for 21 years now.
Wow. Very cool.
Are you open to volunteers?
Absolutely. Yeah, with fencing and deer and repairs and stuff like that. So yeah, anybody interested, you can shoot us an email. And when we have cleanup projects, we reach out to anybody who wants to volunteer, and we call around, see if anybody's available for the cleanup project.
Just like a dog.
Wow. So cool.
Look, hey. Here. Just worry.
Even wolves like a butt scratch.
My pound's going in the water.
sound and ground vibration. They're twitching, which has alerted her to danger. So what is she going to do? She's going to pop her head about the 3.5 feet. 6-foot rattlesnake, the little cat only jumped 3.5 feet. Well, surprisingly, that little bobcat knew what some of us know. When a snake is tightly coiled, he can only strike half the length of his body. How did that bobcat know? 3.5 feet, I'll be good. But he was, and soon as he backed away, really cute ones with the big ears, he's a red fox.
He's red.
Can't tell? Look at his tail.